I decided to send Unicole Unicron and by extension Unicult a couple cards in an envelope. One is an Ubudiyah Mosque, Kuala Kansgar, Malaysia. A Happy Eid card that Care was giving out. A snippet of a request for donations, but it's not a request for donations thing. It's just the part that says Ramadan Mubarak, and it transliterates that. It has a crescent moon. And on the back, I say burning month, black alchemy. Blessings be upon you. And be upon you is implied when you say that, just like in the card, Eid Mubarak, which would be festivity with a quality of blessing. There is a concept of worship in Islam pamphlet that, mentions the 5 pillars, and it mentions why worshiping and how, it goes beyond just the pillars, right? Because religion's a relationship. And this My Ramadan Duas book from Islamic Relief. I put in parentheses supplications. Duas is not the right plural. You don't add an S to form the plural in Arabic. I put a nut. There is much more on every subject and object, but here is a basic overview of what you call spells. So it has one for breaking fast. It has a most recited by the Prophet one. It has mercy in all matters, protection from difficulty, when entering a place of prostration, somewhere dedicated for that purpose, during the last 10 nights. And on that, I put the 21st to the 29th and the 20th or 30th of the 9th month. As one may know, in the Bible and some other traditions, the 9th month is a month of observance and a month of renewal. In the Bible, it's going over the scriptures at night. It is fasting during the day. And there's a few, 4 spots for people to take further notes. Personal, family, friends, community supplications list. And for this, I say, let's not think of religion as organization, but a relationship with existence, a regulation of the upholding of the worshipful rights of God and the rights of creation, to heal us all of both the psychopathic and the sociopathic. Each is valued in their differences and abilities. On the pair card, I have put, come join us Wednesday morning on the 10th of April, 2024, about 8 a.m. Maybe you won't see as many as our members of Unicult, but we do outnumber their global members in the Athens area. We will feed you after the holiday prayer and sermon. People will answer of your questions, and of course, they will offer some degree of fellowship. Depends on how people act, right? But beyond mere personality. Oh, this is what I put with the aid card. Oh, and it tells about this building 1292, 1450, the Common Era. Oh, and okay, this is a company from Washington that made this card. Beyond mere personality. I'm reading what I wrote in it. Beyond mere personality, your potential is ultimate success. That and reputation may be worked with. Your meaning and purpose of life can be realized and actualized. Your emotional, sensual, and intellectual motivations can be actualized on the spiritual platform. Pre-existence and afterlife are something with answers in this life. There are no limits to divinity, but use and preferences of attributes or names and manifestations differ. All can be done or not done, referencing the ultimate acausal. I and we have our answers. You have yours and your experience. We would like to hear from you. And if you would rather come on my show, I can arrange as many sessions to hear your side and share similar or side references. The dimensions, planes are open to greater engagement if you are so open to experience. You will not regret it. We have an ease of material for all ages. And at least to a degree, I opened that opportunity to all members of the Unicult. I can't say I would be as forgiving or patient with some of the other ones, and a lot of people don't understand my motivations with the whole Unicole Unicron thing. But I've talked about some of the alignments, and as you see from the graphic here, I am an official member, and I was told that certain involvement would be the case for membership. It was also posted online that this was one of the, what I had asked for, the being led on the Discord and not, censored on every platform. But the whole thing is not personal or whatever in the way people are acting, right? It's more, it's just an online platform. I just wanted a presence on. And there could have been use otherwise. So there doesn't have to be any issue, whatever has been said about me over the years. I mean, people still should make that right on their end, though.